Louisiana Governor John Bel Edwards and Attorney General Jeff Landry have a long history of public battles over politics. Well, now their latest brewing battle involves the Red River Waterway Commission.
Is suggesting that Caddo Parish Sheriff Steve Prater's wife was passed over for a seat on that commission by the governor. Some are questioning whether it's political retribution against the sheriff. You know, he recently has spoken out strongly against the governor's criminal justice reform. Today, Attorney General, he weighed in on the matter. KSLA News 12's Melissa Kakarika in studio with a breakdown of what the Attorney General had to say. Melissa?
Yeah, and that commission is made up of 11 people, one from each of the 7 parishes within the district, nominated by local authorities, and 4 at-large seats that the governor can appoint from any of the parishes included. But today, the Attorney General is calling one of those appointments unlawful. The Caddo Levy District, the Red River Valley Association, and the Caddo Parish Commission all nominated Carolyn Prater to the Red River Waterway Commission when a seat opened up. But Governor Edwards appointed someone else.
Well, I was a little, taken back, because the Caddo Parish Commission, we voted unanimously for her recommendation.
The funding mechanism for the Waterway Commission is a pretty significant amount comes from Caddo Parish area. And we would like to see a strong representation, or at least a balanced representation.
The Caddo Levy District and State Senators Barrow Peacock and Greg Tarver wrote to Attorney General Jeff Landry asking for his opinion, which he revealed in Shreveport Wednesday.
Nothing in the statute, however, authorizes the governor to ignore the nominations of the local entities and proceed in disregard of the nominating requirements. Any member appointed contrary holds the office unlawfully and is subject to challenge.
Landry says it isn't about politics, but about fairness and representation for Northwest Louisiana. But Governor Edwards' office is standing by his appointment, calling the a cheap political stunt. Edwards said Caddo will still have the same representation on the commission as it's had for years, 1 parish and 1 at-large seat, and says his appointment was part of a promise to return an at-large seat to Rapides Parish to restore diversity on the board. Local elected officials are left wondering what happens next. Attorney General Landry says his office plans to monitor the situation.
This opinion spells out to the administration what the law says and how it's to be followed. It's going to be up to him whether or not he wants to abide by that.
Now, Landry says he was only commenting on the law, not any claims of political retribution.